All the way from Nashville, Tennessee this morning. We got another one. 2023 or 4 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71. This is getting a 9-inch McGaughys lift, some 26 by 14 KG1 benders in polished, and some 37-inch Fury tires. Actually, this one might be getting 38s. We go back and forth, but it's going to be awesome either way. Go ahead and check all the air on those, please. Another one done today. I actually really like the way it turned out. The blue color is very, very nice. We did the 26 by 14 KG1 Bender wheels. This is one of their flat face or legend wheels, as they call it. This has a bigger lip and straighter spokes than their concave line. We did the 38, 1350, 26 Country Hunter MT by Fury. A little bit of trimming required on the truck. Silverado has a hole in the fender there where they put the mud flap on it. Put a little plug in there, did a little trimming around the edges. We put a little black rubber on the edge of the cut so it doesn't look so bad, but did the upper control arms by McGaughys. This is in addition to their kit. Very nice upgrade. This is the cross member here. This is their 7 to 9 inch kit. This one's set at 9 inches. You can set it at 7, 8, or 9 with those rings right there on the strut. Rides phenomenal at any height, and also the angles are great too. This one's from Nashville, Tennessee, in and out. He was done yesterday. It was the first day install. He went ahead and stayed all night here because there's tornadoes in Nashville right now, so he'll be heading back there in just a little bit today. Wanted to say I appreciate it to Tyler. He's a YouTube subscriber from Nashville. Brought his truck all the way here. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. What's kind of crazy to me, I'm going to pick the customer up with this truck from Tennessee. He's at the hotel. I don't usually drive these trucks a bunch. You know, I'm the salesman, so I work in the front desk, and a lot of the guys that work in the shop are the ones that test drive the truck, so I don't really get to feel a lot of how they drive. But this truck really drives good. Like, we're going 30 miles an hour. I'm just barely on the gas. It drives perfectly straight, rides smooth, no shake. Still has plenty of power. It's not bad. You really can't tell it's lifted. I drove this truck yesterday and it kind of drove bad not lifted. I'm used to it because I drive every day lifted like this, but I'm telling you, the truck's more stable now than it was. It's probably the track width of the wheels and tires, but it really drives awesome. It doesn't rock back and forth when you turn the wheel back and forth. It doesn't feel like the suspension's moving a whole crazy bunch. But it's very, very soft and smooth. It's not stiff when you hit bumps. It rides perfect. So I just wanted to throw that in there for you.